Now, there seems to be some good news for the entertainment industry with the Maharashtra government giving a go-ahead to resume shooting for TV and for films. But there are certain guidelines that have to be followed and adhered to very strictly. Now, some guidelines are rather easy to follow in that sense, like, sanitation of set, wearing protective gear, social distancing amongst the crew, making sure that everyone is hygienic. So those things seem to be dealable. But the other aspect of these guidelines are no intimate scenes and social distancing between actors. Now that might kind of create a little complication in the sphere of storytelling, which is why the makers of the film Bhool Bhulaiya 2 starring Kartik Aaryan and Tabu have decided not to resume shooting and instead have decided to wait for things to settle down and improve further. Here's the entire story.
There has been some good news for Bollywood with the government allowing shoots to resume, but there are strict guidelines to be followed, failing which the permission to shoot can be revoked. While some of these guidelines are easier to enforce, like sanitation of the sets and making sure the size of the crew is small and in proper protective gear, other restrictions may come in the way of filming, like ensuring the actors keep a safe distance from each other and not allowing filmmakers to shoot intimate scenes. Perhaps that's why, in spite of getting permission to shoot, many producers are reluctant to start filming again. In a chat with an entertainment portal, Murad Khetani, who is one of the producers backing Bhool Bhulaiya 2, shared why the team will have to wait longer before they start filming again. Mr. Khetani shared that the entire team of Bhool Bhulaiya 2, actors Kartik Aaryan, Kiara Advani, Tabu, director Anees Bazmi, and the entire production unit was filming in Lucknow and returned to Mumbai just in time before a nationwide lockdown was announced. Following government regulations, all shooting for Bhool Bhulaiya 2 was also stopped immediately in Lucknow itself, and the team is yet to resume work. Speaking about when the horror comedy will be completed and sharing their reactions to the new shooting guidelines, Mr. Khetani commented, "No, we have no plans to resume shoot for Bhool Bhulaiya 2 right now. The entire team, including our co-producer Bhushan Kumar, director Anees Bazmi, actors Tabu, Kartik Aaryan, Kiara Advani and others have been in regular touch, and we have realized that the situation currently is extremely worrisome around us. The guidelines laid out also make it very inconvenient for everyone to shoot." The Kartik Kiara starrer is not just facing the hurdle of government guidelines. The makers need to travel back to Lucknow to complete filming the portions there, and given the current situation, traveling with an entire production unit and the cast won't be without risks. They are now trying to rework their shooting schedules in such a way that they first complete shooting in Mumbai before it gets safe enough to travel to Lucknow. With monsoons approaching and the lockdown still in place till the end of June, it is indeed going to be a long drawn-out struggle for filmmakers to complete their pending projects while sticking to new safety guidelines and juggling dates of actors who have multiple projects to complete immediately after the lockdown.